living agro anytime soon. I need to find better ways of doing things, better ways of enlightening our people to eat fresh food. And then, I love what I'm doing. I'm not leaving farming anytime soon. Many people see it as a retirement plan. No, that's not what I see. That's not how I see it. I love it when you just tiny seed you put in the ground, and then it germinates, and then it grows to some point that little something can give you.
This is Engineer Kenneth Echendu, and this is Vivian Chiamaka, and they run this integrated farm that consists of fishes, pigs, crops like peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, and many others.
This particular one, I was getting at the peak of the fruiting, I could count 40 for one plant.
Okay.
Some of them are producing 80, 92.
40 fruits.
For just one stand.
40 fruits?
Yes, 40.
Really?
It's really small.
Let me give you a backstory about this farm so you understand better. Engineer Kenneth Echendu owns the farm and does most of the funding and basically handles the financial aspect of running this farm. And Chiamaka, on the other hand, is the general manager of this farm, who oversees the day-to-day activities of this particular farm to make sure everything is moving smoothly. And Mr. Kenneth can go off for a whole month and every single thing will be moving smoothly.
I studied banking and finance. I'm a graduate, and then after school, if anybody would tell me, you'll be into agriculture, I'll tell you, I bet you're joking. Because then I loved computer, anything finance. I was even taking I was preparing for CFA exam, and then I abandoned everything.
And came to farming?
Yes.
While I visited this place, I noticed something that caught my attention. I didn't see any male worker in this particular farm. Every single worker was a female. So I was curious.
They have that natural care in them to nurture these things. But male, they are too much. They feel they do the cucumber now. They think of girlfriend where they won't go visit for evening, and they will not pay attention. But female, they are kind of organized. It's not, there is no particular reason anyway. Let me just summarize. There is no particular reason. It's just the one that are available, and they are giving us what we want. Yeah. They are dedicated to what they are doing. They are doing it happily, and we are happy with what they are doing. So we are fine.
I would appreciate it if you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So this is the fish section.
Yes.
How many fishes do you have currently now? Let's say on an estimate.
Estimated number of about 150,000 because of sales, Christmas sales. So we are trying to restock.
And you guys have 150,000. Do you guys do the hashing here?
Yes, we do. And then if we are unable to meet up with the hatchery, we buy from other hatchers around.
Okay. So
because we do grow out and then melange. That is there at 3 months, 4 months. We sell off some at dryable size. So we need a lot of fish to meet up the demand.
So what's the size of this whole farm? Because I noticed you guys do tomatoes, pepper, piggery, goats, fish. What's the capacity of this land, if you want to say?
Plus or minus, maybe, because they are not together.
Okay.
Can say maybe about 1.5 hectares or 2.
Oh. And you guys are doing a lot of this. Do you think farming is profitable?
It is when you know what you're doing. It's not like if you want to enter into farming because you heard your friend is making profit, or someone said it's profitable, and therefore your sole purpose of venturing into agri is to make profit, you'll be struggling. And then again, many people make the mistake of going into farming without proper knowledge of the business. Yeah. It's very profitable.
So how long have you guys been into this business?
For crop, we started with crop in 2018 and then fish 2020.
Tell us a bit about the tomatoes. How long does it take this particular tomatoes to get to maturity stage?
For this one, this is a Padma here.
Padma?
A Padma tomato from East West.
Okay.
And up there is Platinum from the same East West. But this particular one takes like 60 to 65 days. This particular
60 to 65
depends
days.
on management. But if you're able to give it what it needs, give or take 2 months, it'll start flowering. Then the fruit set, like this one, we started harvesting them in December, late December, and they are still trying to produce, but they are already going anyways. Yes.
So how long will you be harvesting before they go?
As long as.
And how often do you harvest it?
For 4 days.
Each for 4 days you'll be harvesting?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Like, let's say twice a week.
I want to talk about the crop farming, the profitability of crop farming. You guys are doing a lot of crop farming here. I can see you guys are doing pepper, you guys are doing tomatoes, you guys are doing cucumbers. Which one do you think is more profitable?
Pepper is profitable. Like here now, in as much as I have up to 3,000 stands
of pepper,
we are unable to meet the market demand. You know, they even reach ground.
Really?
Yes, but tomato, the work is too much in tomato. You need to get this staking rope. You need to stake it several times so that it doesn't be on the floor. You need to put the bamboo. You need a lot of things. And then the bacterial wilt, fusarium wilt, leaf spots, late blight, it's too much for tomato. And then sometimes if the farmer's IPM, that is the integrated pest management, if it's not top notch, you will not be able to get as much fruit as you need. As much fruit as supposed to produce. Like this particular one, I was getting at the peak of the fruiting, I could count 40 for one plant. Okay. Some of them are producing 80, 92.
40 fruits.
For just one stand.
40 fruits?
Yes, 40.
Really?
It's really small. And I was saying, it did not produce very well.
Really?
Now imagine if you not handle it well, you will just see about 5 fruits and then you'll be happy that your tomatoes are producing. That's not it. But if you're able to manage it very well, you'll get something. But for me, pepper is my best bet.
Now I want to go in depth into these tomatoes harvesting and the profitability. Now you said like one plant, like one stand is to give you close to 40 to let's say 90 fruits.
We can count one here.
So let's
for instance,
okay.
So that you
yeah, I can see
this
them.
is even the one that are going, you know, we've been harvesting for 1 month and now.
Wow.
Yes, and then it's like this. So we can do a practical example.
So now, let's say, like how many fruits gives you like 1 kg?
Yeah, I've not really counted though. But if the fruits are very big, like you can get from 20 to 25. But if it's small,
20 to 25 fruits can give you like 1 kg.
Big ones, yes. But if it's small seeds like these ones, you can be counting like 40, 45.
And you guys sell them in cages?
No, this one will sell in coaster bucket or crate. That is the basket. Okay. Our target market is actually the market women, the wholesale buyers. They are the one that now. But if any final consumer comes around, we still sell to them anyways.
What did you study again in the university?
Banking and finance.
Banking and finance?
Yes.
But you're not a farmer?
Proudly one.
Proudly a farmer? Oh.
I'm happy with what I'm doing.
Really?
Yes.
So, did you regret studying banking and finance?
What? No.
You didn't regret it?
No, because it's an added advantage. Because I'm able to, you know, do my calculations. There are small, like my favorite course in university was financial management. Okay. So imagine someone that did not do financial management at all. It's an added advantage.
And I think that's why they gave you the manager of the firm. That's why you do it with ease.
Not really.
And this small lady right here controls 20 workers. And off the camera, when we were moving around, you just see her saying stuff like, you need to do this, you need to do this. She was just all over the place. And I'm like, who gives you all this energy, man? He handles 20 workers.
It's not difficult.
It's not difficult.
To me. It's
so
not,
you think farming is not difficult?
It's stressful.
Okay.
But it's not difficult to handle these people that you are saying. It's not difficult because...
Is it because they are girls?
No. Even with the guys, I flow with them because I believe respect is... I will not speak the other one.
Okay.
And then it's balanced in such a way that I don't insult you, don't insult me. I don't talk harsh at you, but when they understand the principle of don't cross my limit. If you know what you need to do, do it. And everybody's fine, everybody's happy. Once in a while, we even buy drink, everybody will be happy. That's life.
The owner of this farm, how often does he come to the farm?
Once in a while, if he's less busy, he'll come and...
Like once in how long? I want to know.
If he's less busy, he comes every day.
Okay.
But if he's not, maybe once in a week or even once in a month. It depends.
Really? So you can manage the farm for like once in a whole month without this person coming around? And everything will still be going smoothly?
Yeah.
Do you guys have experts who manages like some of these plants, or have you guys been trained for it and stuff?
Yeah, I've done many trainings on them, so that's why. And then we have a consultant anyways.
Okay.
But he's in Warri. And then I've visited many other farms. I've seen what they are doing, and then I've done many certification courses and still doing many of them now. So
we headed to the bee section because they have a section for bees that produce honey. And this part really caught my attention because when I came to this farm, I noticed on the outlet where people come to buy farm produce, a lot of women right there were asking for honey, like original honey. So I found out this farm also produces honey, and the prices they call for this honey was, man, I needed to know more. So I had to find out. Yeah. So for the bees, who manages it?
We do.
You do too?
Yes, and then there are some beekeepers that also come to assist us.
Okay.
In harvesting. That's if it's too much, but we manage it by ourselves as well.
Okay, so tell me a bit about the bees. How do they form the honey and get it to liquid format, or just take us through the process?
So basically, what we do is to install the hive, where inside the hive, I will show you later the inside of the beehive. Okay. So we install the hive that has top bars.
Okay.
It's carefully crafted where they can be comfortably forming their bee comb. So the bee comb is where they store the honey that they produce.
Okay.
So we just install the beehives, and then we apply attractants. We use bee wax. We use spent honeycomb. We use honey. There are many things that they use to bait the hive. Okay. Baiting that is just to attract wild bees to see that, oh, there is something that's interesting here. Okay. So what they will do, assuming there is a bee in the wild now, maybe one of the scouts will come, enter the hive to lick the attractant that we placed inside the hive. So while in the process of going inside, they will now look inside the hive and now say, wow, okay, we can actually live here.
Yeah.
He will go and call the other ones. Some of them will now join it to come and look again. Then there is this particular dance. They call it 8 or something. There is a dance that they will wiggle, and then it means something to the bee. So they will come. If they find the place interesting to colonize, they will all come. And during the arrival, I was opportune to witness the arrival of that colony in that hive. So when they came, it was spectacular. So how we know the matured honey? We will open it, the bars we placed inside. They are the ones that have been capped. They carefully cap the ones that have honey. They store those things so that when they don't have flowers to feed on, flowers to consume and all that, they will go back to what they had. Yeah. But human beings now, we will go and harvest it. But the only investment is the cost of forming the beehives and the stand. That's the only thing. And then maybe transportation cost and labor cost of people that will be checkmating the beehives. Nothing else. And it's
you don't need to feed them and...
No, you don't feed them. They go out. They can go as far as to find flowers.
Wow.
And water. They normally go to our fish pond to get water.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So with the honey, like how much do you guys sell a liter of it?
For now, they're selling a liter for 17,000.
Liter of the honey?
Yes, for 17,000. There are other smaller ones though.
Why do you think a lot of young people are not going into agriculture?
I believe many of them think it's the dirty work, and then everyone needs fast money. Agro is not where you can get it today, 10 million. Today, 15 million. It comes small.
Yeah.
So many of them need, like the youth of these days, they want fast money. That's the problem.
These are the peppers.
Yes.
These stuffs look really nice.
Now.
And all these were installed by these girls.
True, they are fine. They are good to go. They will be fine if not for some recent. We are having mite and trip attack, but we are.
Well, they have started fruiting already.
It's their first fruiting, anyways.
This is really nice.
It's first fruiting, but it will be really nice.
How many stands of peppers are this?
For this particular space?
Yeah.
818.
818.
18.
You have them offhand. You go with the numbers offhand.
I'm the one that planted them, so why not? If not,
so how old are they right now?
Give or take, they are going to 3 months.
Okay, 3 months.
We transplanted them. Oh, in the field though, from nursery they are going to 4 months now.
Okay. So what are the name of this particular species?
It's super habanero.
Super habanero.
That's what we plant here, hot habanero. Like I prefer is the flavor and the hotness.
Okay.
It's very hot. You can't use more than 2 seeds inside your pot of soup.
And that ends today's video. What do you think about this farm and the way it's being run? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And also, to get more details about this farm, check the comment section and the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when we post another video, you get notified. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one.